Now, as you can see here, I will share how to create motivational videos using CapCut and AI on your phone, ensuring you achieve engaging and inspiring content efficiently. First of all, let's consider what we really need to do initially. We need to create a compelling script for our project. Before we start crafting our script, we really need to identify our goals and understand what exactly we aim to achieve with our video project. We are creating motivational videos focused on success, various habits, wealth, sports, self-improvement, and making money, aiming to inspire and empower viewers to take action in their lives confidently. We must first understand what we truly need, and only then should we begin crafting our script for the motivational video project, as you can see. You can create your script either by yourself or with help from GPT, Gemini, and other AIs. For example, you can enter ChatGPT and ask it to create a motivational text for your chosen topic. This way, you can harness the power of AI to generate inspiring content that resonates with your audience, as you can see here. It creates everything you need, so there's nothing else required. If you're doing this with images, you must create those images using any other program, as you can see here. You can even use ChatGPT for this purpose, and nobody is stopping you from doing so. Feel free to explore its capabilities and supercharge your project. If that's not an option, simply search the internet or check YouTube, where you can find various videos. You can adapt one of them and incorporate it into your project accordingly. After that, if you're doing the voiceover, you can choose to narrate it with your own voice or use AI voice options carefully. You can create this in any app you prefer. It could be different depending on your needs. For example, you can search there or even ask ChatGPT, though honestly, I'm not sure which ones are actually good options. After that, you can create a dynamic voiceover and feel free to add music to enhance the atmosphere. You can achieve all of this easily using CapCut, as you can see here. Now that you've added your images, you should focus on adding voiceover. Simply click on the text option, select Add Text, and then press OK. As you can see here, you'll need to carefully edit the text to match your voiceover for a seamless experience that enhances the overall impact of your motivational video. Click on the text option, then add any voice you desire now. That's all you need, and of course don't forget to add music that complements your video for a truly immersive experience. And that's pretty much everything we have covered here today. Thank you all for watching, wishing you good luck in your endeavors, and goodbye for now.